I'm about to show you my version of the song, The Blessing. Please do not try this at home. I beg you, please.
The blessing. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace.
Time for the remix.
Remix. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious. Lord, turn face towards you and give you peace.
You have never seen what you're about to see in your life.
Amen. 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 Amen.
I take it to the next level.
May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family, and their children, and their children, and their children. May his favor be upon you and your 1,000 generations, and your family, and their children, and their children, and your children, and the children, and the children, and your children, and the children. I don't know the rest of the lyrics, but he's for you, 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 he's for you.
I'm gonna go even higher.
Amen. 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 That's one way to sing that song. I don't recommend you do it. I don't recommend you do it, but that's one way to do it. Have a great week. I need to go and drink some water. Oh.